दोस्तों हमारे चैनल वी ब्लॉग में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं राजकीय हल करने जा रहे हैं राजकीय इंटर कॉलेज प्रयोक्ता परीक्षा 2009 रसायन विज्ञान व्याख्या से साल प्रश्न हो जाए द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड डज नॉट अंडरगो न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टिव विद एक्वा सोडियम ऑक्साइड AbB. The reaction accompanied by inversion of configuration A. The compound that undergoes acetylolysis most readily is D. The compound which are reacting with bromine undergoes electrolysis retention of configuration is B. C double bond C methyl H CH2 HGBr HBr in the product of exported A. CH3 CH2 CH2 Br AlBr 3 CH3 CH3 Br. The rearrangement is Wagner Merwin B between C Cultier T Hoffman Wagner Merwin NH2 benzene OH HNO2 gives B. The reaction involves A. Nitrogen carbene B. Carbene intermediate C. Carbocation D. Carbanion Nitrogen intermediate. Which of the following is expected to undergo Wittig rearrangement most readily? CH2 double bond CH or CH2OMe CH2 double bond CH CH2OATET CH2 double bond CH CH2OPr CH2 double bond CH CH2OBU. A. Me2C double bond CH Me in the presence of BH3 called H2O2 NaOH is D. Benzene. The reaction is called Meinig reaction, Michael addition, Reformatsky reaction, aldol condensation, Meinig reaction. The carbonic compound that can be changed into alkenes by use of A. Wittig reaction, B. Perkin reaction, C. Prince reaction, D. Benzene condensation. Wittig reaction. The aldol condensation is not given by CH3 covered by CHO. Perkin reaction is not given by D. Which of the following does not undergo benzene condensation? B. Me2C double bond CH2 plus CHOH plus H2OH is XX is Me2C double bond CH CH2OH Me2C CH2OH CH3 Me2CH CH2 CH2OH Me2C C double bond CH CO CH3 B. CH3 CHO plus SCHO OH minus C CH2OH4. This reaction is A. Prince reaction, B. Meinig reaction, C. Tollens reaction, D. Nov-Engel reaction. On heating with an alcoholic solution of rhodium hydroxide, which of the following is expected to give cyclohexane derivative most readily? B. C double bond C Br HH plus Et3N DMF gives X plus Y A. Br. The molecule having sigma H is A. Dimethyl acetylene, B. Acetonitrile, C. Water, D. Chloroform, C. Water. The absolute configuration of CO2H ASCl HBr CH3 2S3 2R3S 2S3S 2R3L 2R3L. The most suitable configuration of cyclohexane will be A. Boat, B. half chair, C. twisted chair. Sublimation can be used for the conversion of aniline into fluorobenzene, B. bromobenzene, C. iodobenzene, nitrobenzene. For the above comparison, the most appropriate oxidizing agent is osmium tetroxide, selenium oxide, acidic dichromate, lead tetraacetate, picaryl chloride, and reacting with aqueous sodium hydrogen change into picaryl reaction shows A. Benzene mechanism, B. SN2 mechanism, C. SNAR mechanism, D. SRN1 mechanism, B. SN2 mechanism. Which of the following compound would react with an alcoholic solution of sodium methoxide most readily? D. CH2 double bond CH C double bond O OET PHSH NOH minus X is B. PHS CH2 CH2 C double bond OET. Which are the following reaction involve benzene intermediate? Reaction of 1 dichloroethane with sodium thiophenolate. Reaction of 2 nitrochlorobenzene with sodium amide in liquid ammonia. Reaction of chlorobenzene with sodium amide in liquid ammonia. Reaction of tetrachlorobenzoquinone with aqueous sodium oxide. C. The most stable free radical is APS-CH2C H2PHCH2C PHCH3 DPH3 का होल C radical D. Which of the following reaction involve a carbon ion intermediate? P. Benzene OH AlOBu3 acetone gives C. According to Akalu, a cyclic phenolic conjugated polyene is aromatic if it contains A. 4n plus 1 electron, B. 4n plus 2 pi electron, C. 4n pi electron, D. 2n plus 4 pi electron. 4n plus 2 pi electron. The anti-aromatic system is C. The molecule which on monoprotonation give homoaromatic cation is D. The molecule having C2 symmetry is B. Wilkinson catalyst PH3P whole thrice RCl is used for A. Hydrogenation of aromatic, B. Hydrogenation of alkyne, C. Hydrogenation of alkene, D. Polymerization of alkene, C. Hydrogenation of alkene. In which there is outer orbital hybridization ZnS3 का whole 6 2 plus CONS3 का whole 6 2 plus CrNS3 का whole 6 2 3 plus VNS3 का whole 6 3 plus A ZnCNS3 का whole size 2 plus. Coordination number and oxidation number of Cr in K3 CrC2O4 का whole thrice are respectively A 4 and 2, B 6 and 3, C 3 and plus 3, D 3 and 0, B 6 and plus 3. The 0 point energy of an oscillating diatomic molecule is given by A 1 by 2 H B oscillation, B H B oscillation, C 3 by 2 H B oscillation, 2 H B oscillation. A. The geometry of Ni4 CnICO4 and NiPHPH3Cl2 is both square planar tetrahedral and square planar. C. Both tetrahedral square planar and tetrahedral. C. Both is tetrahedral. Which of the following represent the correct order of decreasing order energy for electronic configuration? Number of vibrational degree of freedom for a linear molecule benzene are A 16, B 30, C 18, D 22. B. In the PMR spectrum, an equivalent to proton split in single signal due to proton on the neighboring carbon atom into n line, B n plus 1 line, C n plus 2 lines, n minus 1 line, n plus 1 line. The emission of radiation which results due to the transition of molecule from an excited state to the ground state without a change in the multiplicity is called phosphorescence. B. Fluorescence intersystem growth internal conversion. B. Fluorescence and axiogram shift to the absorption by towards a shorter wavelength. B. Longer wavelength. C. No change in wavelength, higher frequency. B. Longer wavelength. When zeolite, which is ester hydrate sodium aluminum silicate, is treated with hard water, the sodium ion are exchanged with A H plus B Ca2 plus C Mg2 plus D Ca2 plus Mg2 plus D. Which of the following complexes will have colored? A TiH2O का whole 6 2 plus TiH2O का whole 6 4 minus ZnNH3 का whole 6 2 plus ZnH2O whole का 6 3. A. In which of the following molecules the central atom does not involve a d orbital in hybridization process? A I3 minus B SF4 minus CuNH3 का whole 4 2 minus 2 plus D Mn4 minus Mn4. Which out of the following structure expected to have 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair? A tetrahedral, B octahedral, C trigonal, D pyramidal, C trigonal. Which are the following high spin complexes exhibit down Taylor distortion? A CR CH2O का whole 6 3 plus CrH2O का होल 6 4 प्लस FeH2O का होल 6 H3 प्लस IH2O का होल 6 3 प्लस CrH2O का होल 6 4 प्लस P. The bond length in the species O2, O2 plus and O2 minus are in the order A. O2 is greater than O2, O2 is greater than O2 minus, O2 is greater than O2 minus, greater than O2, O2 is greater than O2 cation into O2 minus anion, O2 is greater than anion is greater than O2 is greater than O2 cation. D. Which of the following ions in the high spin octahedral complex will have highest crystal field stabilization energy? A. Ti3 plus B. V2 plus C. Cr2 plus D. Mn2 plus B. P2 plus. Which of the following ligand produces highest crystal field splitting in P3 octahedral complex? A. Cl minus B. F minus C. H2O D. NH3 F minus A. HCl minus. Which of the following molecules will not exhibit rotational effector? A. NO B. CO2 C. SO2 D. HF. NO. The spacing between successive spectral line in the rotational spectra of diatomic molecule is AB, B2B, C3B, D4B, B2B. Which of the following is an example of compound semiconductor? A. GaAs, B. NaCl, A. CaCl3, D. Cl4 GaAs. Which of the following has the lowest band gap? A. Carbon, B. Silicon, C. Germanium, D. Graphene. D2 specific hybridization leads to A. hexagonal से B. tetrahedral से C. trigonal bipyramidal D. octahedral से octahedral से. Which of the following is not correct about the phosphagene molecule? It is molecular formula is P3N3Cl6 in phosphagene NHsP3 and P is hybridized. It has a planar ring structure. Phosphagene involved D. pi P5 bonding B. Which of the following the tetrahedral would not obey? A. CrCO6 B. FeCO6 CO5 NiCO4 ClMnO CO का whole 5 D. Which of the following molecules is paramagnetic? A. O2 B. CO B. CH2 D. F2 A. O2. Which of the following does not have a metal carbon bond? A. CH3 Mg B. CrCO6 CFE neta 5 and C5H5 whole twice Mn2CO10 C. The J salt is A. CrC6S6 का whole twice BPS3 का P whole twice PTCH3 CPTCA2H4 Cl3 D. CrCO6 Which of the following labels does not exist? A. B2S4 CH3 का whole twice B2S3 CH3 का whole thrice C B2S3 CH3 whole 4 B2SCH3 का whole 5